Hello guys, welcome back
Part
to
2,
the third
guys.
video. So today we're gonna play Call of Duty. Oh, baby boys.
Get down, sniper!
Bro, I'm a noob in the base, bro.
Reloading, cover me.
Sakit mo ah. You die, you motherfucker. Ah. So damage. Ah. Bro, it's so strong. The fuck, bro, is so strong. Like, I'm gonna pick settings.
Friendly contact with enemy. Tango down! Changing mag. Friendly Predator missile inbound. Get down, sniper! Sniper down. UAV online.
Oh, this you so damage, bro. That's bata na damage ka.
Tango down.
Bro, you all too weak, bro. What are you doing, brother?
Changing mag.
You die, bro.
Changing mag!
Hey, come here, bro.
Friendly hunter-killer drone. Predator missile inbound. Enemy
Or die, motherfuckers.
taking the lead. Reloading. Get down, sniper. Changing mag. Cover me. Tango down.
Haha, come at you, mother shithead.
Sniper on me.
Bong, patay. Ay, what did I say Tagalog words? Sorry, guys. Because I'm a Filipino.
Get down,
Or die, you sucker.